Okay, today this video is going to show you guys that it is possible to have custom ringtones on the AT&T LG Neon without the USB cable or custom programs on the computer or having to hack it or anything like that. As you can see, this is it. Unlock, menu, you get the glare out, settings, ringtone, sounds. And as you can see, there are already a couple custom songs on the list. As for you that already experienced using this phone, you'll notice that you don't see any ringtones there. You only see one folder called default audio, which would be here. And there goes all the default crap songs. Also, to furthermore show you that these are custom songs, not just some hoax or anything. There's the song, and to show you that it is on the memory card, not the phone's internal memory, I'm going to show you. Go to My Stuff, memory card. There goes sounds. And there you go. Forget MP3. And as you saw before, the little icon was also on the bottom corner to show that it was there. File. Info. Forget MP3. And there it goes. And this also shows that you do not need a DRM file or anything like that. This is a normal MP3 ringtone that I made on my computer. Simple as that. The only thing, it has to be under 300 KB. As long as it's under 300 KB, the phone will read it, play it, and you'll be able to do everything you want with it. And one more time, also I'm going to show you that that's just not the only one. I do have some ringtones that are actually under the 20 seconds, because I've heard people say you need it under 20 seconds. No, you don't. Sounds. And this is my text message sound. Yeah, I love Metal Gear. So, as you can see, that's much less than 20 seconds. And we got Mr. Bean saying pick up the phone. But all this is also without the USB cable or any custom programs on the computer. Just dropping them right on the memory card, and you're set to use them, and you're good. Anyways, there's how to put them on. And watch the rest of my video, and you'll see how to put them actually on the phone itself.